Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to use background music on this video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now play this video. Guys, today I am going to share with you how to use speed reverse mode on this. There is no background music in this video. Now I will add a background music. Play this video. Now here dialog volume and music volume is same. Now I will decrease music volume, select music layer and decrease the volume level like 15. Then play this video. Now dialog volume and music volume is different. Music volume is down and dialog volume is high. So in this way you can add background music on the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.